Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to solve the issue that many Minecraft players encounter java.net.connect exception connection timed out. Let's fix it step by step. First things first, let's make sure your Java is up to date. Here's how. Open the start menu, type control panel and hit enter. Once you are in the control panel, look for Java and click on it. In the Java control panel, go to the Update tab and click Update Now. This ensures that you are running the latest version of Java, which is crucial for avoiding connection issues. Next, let's check your Windows Defender firewall settings. Go back to the Start menu, type Windows Defender Firewall and open it. On the left hand side, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Scroll down until you find Java Platform SE binary. Make sure both the private and public boxes are checked. If you don't see it listed, click Change Settings and then allow another app. Browse for the Java executable file and add it. And that's it. These simple steps should fix the java.net.connect exception connection timed out error. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.